This is politics, you know.
Ka State Cancer Society KHASI palai kala penlong ya Jingpang bat ka Tata Memorial Hospital na Sorba Mumbai ban ya mirjimut haluarga Jingpang hapedeng ka Sorkar Jylla bat kani ka hospital u principal secretary jong katanat ka kwat ka khia u Sampat Kumar ulayathu haikinong pathai khubor hadian balawai ga Jingpang bamenta kala don ka jing sapriang jing tip ka babun ha ka bayade bat ka Jingpang Bampong bat bun ngut kibriu kilami shakmat ban pha pe bat pha sumar ula kadoru ba ka hospital sumar Bampong ka ba nyo photali ki jing thia ha Shillong Civil Hospital menta kala shlei bat ka Sorkar kadang wat lat menta ban kampen bun shu ya ki jing thia.
The agenda was there's a lot of awareness has been built, so a lot of people are coming now. So they are coming early now. In fact, though it was created for 70 beds, in fact it's overflowing. We have a proposal to expand that hospital for more number of beds. In fact, we are discussing with our health minister, and a lot of work is happening around cancer. We also have discussed about how to actually increase the screening operations. Especially for cervical cancer and breast cancer issues, because that also has been discussed here.